What is a grand jury and its Fifth Amendment link? Imagine a group of everyday citizens, not judges or lawyers, sitting in a room deciding if someone should face criminal charges. That's what a grand jury does. It usually has between 16 and 23 members. Their job is to look at evidence presented by the prosecutor and decide if there is enough to charge someone with a crime. This process is different from a trial jury, which decides if a person is guilty or innocent. A grand jury's main role is to determine if there is probable cause to move forward with a criminal case. The proceedings are kept secret, and the person accused usually does not attend. The prosecutor can subpoena witnesses and documents to help build the case. The grand jury listens and then votes on whether to issue an indictment. An indictment is a formal accusation, not a declaration of guilt. It starts the trial process, where guilt must be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. The Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution says that for serious federal crimes, a person must be indicted by a grand jury before they can be tried. This rule helps protect people from being charged without enough evidence. It acts as a safeguard against unfair or baseless accusations. From a defense point of view, the grand jury is an important check on the power of prosecutors. It requires evidence that meets a certain standard before charges are filed. However, the process is often criticized because the accused has little say. They cannot cross-examine witnesses or present their own evidence during grand jury proceedings. The process is controlled by the prosecutor, and it is kept secret, making it hard for defendants to challenge weak evidence early on. Sometimes, a defense attorney might try to influence the process by sharing exculpatory evidence with the prosecutor or asking to testify before the grand jury. Understanding how the grand jury works and its connection to the Fifth Amendment is key for protecting your rights early in a criminal case. It ensures that charges are based on enough evidence and not just an accusation. So, in essence, a grand jury is a community-based filter that helps keep the criminal justice system fair and balanced.